place for you. Okay. Okay, now slowly and deliberately, slide your hand up this rope. Take out of those slides and slide your hand up the rope. Okay. Okay. There you go. Just like that. Now take another loop out.
A little tension on it. There you go. Now you're on it. Keep your hand up. Good.
You're doing it.
The faster you want to go, the closer you move your hand to your hip. There you go. Now break yourself.
Put your arm straight up. There you go. Wrap it around that pin. Okay. Good job. Yep. Keep going.
Hand down. Just let the rope slide through.